150 mm diameter vertical cylinder rotates concentrically inside another cylinder of diameter 151 mm. Both the cylinder are of 250 mm height. The space between the cylinder is filled with a liquid of viscosity 10 poise. Determine the torque required to rotate the inner cylinder at 100 rpm. So what is given in this question? So given initial diameter, so inner diameter that is equal to 150 mm, that is equal to 0.15 meter. Outer diameter that is equal to 151 mm, that is equal to 0.151 meter. So if you want to calculate the thickness, that is outer diameter minus inner diameter by 2. So 151 minus 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.5 mm. That will be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Length of the cylinder that is given, that is 250 mm, that is equal to 0.25 meter. Viscosity that is equal to 10 poise, that is equal to 1 Newton second per meter square. RPM that is 100 RPM that is given. You have to find out the value of torque. So how to calculate that? So first you have to find out the value of U. So U that is equal to pi dn by 60. So pi, what is the value of d? That is equal to 0.15. So 0.15. What is the value of n? That is 100 by 60. So if you calculate this value will be 0.7854 meter per second. Okay. Now if you want to calculate the shear stress tau, that is equal to mu into du by dy. So what is the value of mu? Mu that is equal to 1. So 1. And what is the value of du? That is 0.7854. And what is the value of dy? That is dy means the thickness. So the thickness that is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So from here you can get the answer, that will be 1570.8 Newton per meter square. So this will be the shear stress value. Now if you want to calculate the force, F that is equal to torque, so shear stress into area, what is the value of shear stress? 1570.8. And what is the value of area? Area that will be the pi into d into L. D is the inner diameter into length of the cylinder. So 1570.8 into pi, what is the inner diameter? That is equal to 0.15. So this will be 0.15 and length will be what is given, that is 0.25. So from here you can get the value of force, that is equal to 185 Newton. Now if you want to calculate the torque, so torque, the formula is F into d by 2. So what is the value of F? That is 185 and d, that is the inner diameter. So inner diameter that is 0.15, that is given in this question by 2. So from here you get the value of torque, that will be 13.87 Newton into meter. So our answer will be 13.87 Newton into meter.